Are you looking for the best laptops for architects and designers? In this video we will look at some of the best laptops for architects and designers. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Microsoft Surface Pro 8. Famous for its touchscreen, Microsoft's latest technology, the 8th generation of Surface Pro, fuels creativity with flexibility and mobility. Microsoft Surface's iconic detachable keyboard and all-angle adjustable kickstand make it effortless transform between laptop and tablet in order to adapt to whatever surface that you are working on. Together, the 13, 120Hz PixelSense trademark symbol Flow touchscreen, Dolby Vision and Surface Slim Pen 2 allow you to record ideas in expressions that are much richer than simply pen and paper, no matter where you are. Some accessories and software sold separately. Available colors and materials may vary by market and configuration. 1. Battery life varies significantly based on usage, network and feature configuration, signal strength, settings and other factors. See surface.com for details. 2. Requires Dolby encoded content and audio. 3. Pen storage and charging available on select keyboards. 4. Tactile signals with Surface Slim Pen 2 can be experienced on some applications on Surface DDR running Windows 11. Surface Slim Pen 2 sold separately. At number 2. ASUS ZenBook Pro Duo 15 laptop. Another choice for a luxurious touchscreen experience is ASUS ZenBook Pro Duo 15. Made for designers, its innovative secondary screen, the control panel, is compatible with Adobe Photoshop, After Effects, Premiere Pro and more to smooth your workflow. The device can serve as both a screen extension and a personalized interface where you can freely gather and organize your most commonly used functions, such as adjusting saturation, opacity or volume. While the two old screens provide 4K visual with vivid colors, and, combined with ASUS Pen and ErgoLift stand, they offer comfortable drawing and writing experiences at the same time. ZenBook Pro Duo 15 Old lets you get things done in style, calmly, efficiently, and with zero fuss. It's your powerful and elegant next-level companion for on-the-go productivity and creativity, featuring an amazing 4K OLED HDR touchscreen. It also includes the ASUS ScreenPad Plus secondary 4K display with a brand new tilting design that offers effortless ergonomics and seamless workflows. Powered by up to an Intel Core i9 8-core processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070 GPU, ZenBook Pro Duo 15 Old brings you all the benefits of tomorrow's technology, today. The actual transfer speed of USB 3.0, 3.1, 3.2, Gen 1 and 2, and / or Type-C will vary depending on many factors including the processing speed of the host device, file attributes and other factors related to system configuration and your operating environment. At number 3. Samsung Galaxy Book Flex 2 Alpha 2-in-1 laptop. Samsung Galaxy Book Flex 2 is a 2-in-1 device that not only combines the forms of laptop and tablet but also balances the purposes of working and presentation. Without adding or detaching a single component, the device easily transforms into a standalone presentation screen simply by utilizing its 360 foldable structure. The FHD-cooled edge-to-edge touch screen allows for smooth working and presenting experiences. The device offers a high visual quality that is supported by Intel Iris Xe graphics. Book Flex 2 has an ultra-slim appearance that is enhanced by Samsung's classic black and silver color options. Whether supercharging productivity at your desk or powering meetings and presentations, the 16.5-hour lasting battery always fuel your efficiency. At number 4. HP OMEN 15 laptop. If you're looking to combine the benefits of a reliable workstation found in HP's ZBook with better options for mobility and versatility, then HP's OMEN 15 is the right device for you. The 2-in-1 laptop boasts a 13.3 touchscreen but weighs just 2.2 pounds. Meanwhile, Wi-Fi 6 helps you stay connected with higher data rates and lower power consumption. Mobile business professionals, you no longer have to choose between portability and performance, thanks to the HP 13.3 Elite Dragonfly Multitouch 2-in-1 laptop. Its iridescent dragonfly blue magnesium body weighs just 2.2 pounds, making it easy to travel with. While it may be lightweight, the Dragonfly also houses an 8th Gen Intel Core i7-8665U quad-core processor and 16GB of 2133 MHz LPDDR3 RAM, allowing you to run your business apps quickly and efficiently. Its 512GB M.2 NVMe PCIe SSD enable faster boot times. Need more storage? There are two Thunderbolt 3 ports, so you can connect a Thunderbolt-compatible external drive for fast data transfer rates. Staying connected is equally as important as portability and performance. Wi-Fi 6, 802.11ax, provides higher data rates and improved power efficiency over its predecessor, Wi-Fi 5. Wireless networks utilizing Wi-Fi 6 also have improved performance with more connected devices, thanks to its ability to utilize 8x8 MMO technology. You can also opt for a wired internet connection with the included USB Type-C to Ethernet adapter. Don't forget to use Bluetooth 5.0 to connect wirelessly to accessories and peripherals, such as a mouse or a presentation tool. At number 5. MSI GE7617.3 144Hz IPS FHD Premium Gaming Laptop. If you are looking for more affordable gaming laptops with top configurations, MSI's newest GE76 is a good option to consider. The 17.3 FHD screen, with a refreshing rate of 144 Hz, is as well suited to an immersive gaming experience as it is for displaying demanding visualizing works such as high-quality image and film rendering. Equipped with NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060, generous RAM and SSD that go up to 64GB and 4TB, it can handle graphics-intensive software effortless. We sell computers with upgraded configurations, so the original factory box will be opened and resealed to install the upgrades to achieve the specifications as advertised. Defects and AMP blemishes are significantly reduced by our professional inspection and AMP testing. Memory: 64GB DDR for memory storage, 4096GB solid-state drive, SSD. Design: game to your full potential with this MSI thin gaming laptop. Processor: Intel Core i7 12th Gen 8 core processor, Intel i7-12700H cache, base clock 2.3 GHz, max boost clock 4.7 GHz, display: 17.3 IPS FHD, 1920x1080, with 144 Hz, boasts impressive color and clarity. Energy-efficient LED backlight. Screen resolution: Full HD 1920x1080 accessories, HDMI cable graphics, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 graphics card operating system, Windows 11 Bluetooth, Bluetooth LAN connectivity, 802.11ax MCR, card reader built-in HD webcam, yes ports, 3x USB 3.1 Type A 1x headphone /speaker /line out jack, 2x USB 3.1 Type C 1x HDMI battery, 3-cell lithium-ion color, black dimensions LXWXH, inches 15.63x 10.57x 1.08 weight, 6.39 pound. At number 6. Apple MacBook Pro, 16-inch. MacBook Pro made a leap in its general performance with its M1 Pro /Max chip. One significant upgrade is the processing hardware, which ranges from 10-core CPU and up to 32-core CPU and significantly improves the device's ability to carry heavy design software and games. The battery can now last for 21 hours, fully covering your day. Accompanying Apple's stunning Liquid Retina XDR display are up to 64 GB RAM and 8TB SSD, allowing you to work and play high-quality visuals, not to mention storing them within an ever-fluid workflow. The 1080p HD camera, 6-speaker audio system and a studio-quality microphone provide the top-quality remote collaboration experience. At number 7. HP Pavilion 17 Laptop. HP's latest Pavilion 17 model is an economic choice among the laptops with 1.7 screen. The configurations can go up to 32 GB RAM, 2TB SSD and 11th Gen Intel Core i5, which are fine enough to carry most design software and games while being capable of a considerable level of multitasking. To further slash about $150 off price, users can also go with 11th Gen Intel Core i3, which can still support moderate visual works with less power consumed than i5. Processor: Intel registered trademark symbol Core trademark symbol i3-1115 G4, up to 4.1 GHz with Intel registered trademark symbol Turbo Boost technology, 6 MB L3 cache, 2 cores, 4 threads, operating system, Windows 11 Home 64 English display, 17.3 diagonal, HD+, 1600x900, anti-glare, 220 nits, 60% NTSC video card, Intel registered trademark symbol UHD graphics hard drive, up 2 TB PCIe NVMe M.2 solid-state drive memory, up 32 GB DDR4 RAM speaker, dual speakers wireless, Realtek RTL 8821 CE802.11a/b/g/n/AC, 1x1, Wi-Fi registered trademark symbol and Bluetooth registered trademark symbol 4.2 combo optical drive, no camera, HP True Vision 720p. HD camera with integrated dual-array digital microphones backlit keyboard, no ports, 2 superspeed USB Type-A 5 Gbps signaling rate, 1 USB 2.0 Type-A, 1 HDMI 1.4b, 1 RJ45, 1 AC smart pin, 1 headphone/microphone combo dimensions, 16.33 x 10.72 x 0.93 inches starting weight, 4.6 pounds primary battery, 3 cell, 41 Wh Li-ion chassis, natural silver. At number 8. Lenovo IdeaPad 3. Lenovo also offers affordable choices for touchscreen, which comes in a comfortable FHD 15.6 screen. The IdeaPad 3 model is powered by 11th Gen i5-1135 G7 and Intel's Iris Xe graphics. With Intel's Willow Cove CPU microarchitecture, which is employed only on i5s and above, the performance of 11th Gen CPUs has been largely improved from their last generation. Operating on either Windows 10/11 Home/Pro, you can work safely with up to 36 GB RAM and 1 TB SSD. The HD camera with a privacy shutter is designed with the new WFH culture in mind, making the device all the more convenient. At number 9. Dell Inspiron 3000 laptop. Dell's newest Inspiron 3000 laptop is more portable and even cheaper than the previous two products, weighing less than 4 pounds. The device's Pickle SSD allows you to access and transfer the data stored in the SSD faster, while a 16 GB RAM facilitates fluid software running and web browsing. Supported by Intel's economic Celeron processor N4020, Inspiron 3000 is affordable, power-efficient and still provides satisfactory performance. Dell Inspiron laptop 16 GB high-bandwidth RAM to smoothly run multiple applications and browser tabs all at once. 1 TB PCIe NVMe M.2 solid-state drive allows to fast boot up and data transfer processing. Intel Celeron processor N4020, 2 cores, 2 threads, 4 MB cache, up to 2.8 GHz, display 15.6-inch HD, 1366 x 768, anti-glare LED backlit non-touch display, Intel UHD graphics with shared graphics memory tech specs 802.11 AC 1x1 Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, 1x SD card reader, 1x USB 2.0, 1x wedge-shaped lock slot, 1x power, 1x HDMI 1.4b, 2x USB 3.1 Gen 1, 1x headphone and amp, microphone audio jack operating system Windows 10 Pro. Get all the features of Windows 10 Home operating system plus enterprise-grade security, powerful management tools like single sign-on, and enhanced productivity with remote desktop and Cortana. At number 10. ASUS VivoBook 14 FHD laptop. If you are looking for crisp graphics at an even lower price, consider ASUS VivoBook, which displays on a 14 FHD LED screen. It is 3.42 pounds in weight and 0.78 inches thin, allowing it to easily fit into bags and be carried when traveling. Intel Core i3-1115 G4 with up to 4.1 GHz frequency produces instant responses when working with the VivoBook. A fingerprint recognizer is implemented on the touchpad to protect your data and privacy. The bundle not only includes the laptop but also a mousepad, USB extension cable and HDMI cable, making the price that much sweeter. How to switch S mode to Windows 10 on your PC running Windows 10 in S mode. Open Settings and GT, Update and AMP, Security and GT, Activation. In the Switch to Windows 10 Home or Switch to Windows 10 Pro section, select Go to the Store. If you also see an Upgrade Your Edition of Windows section, be careful not to click the Go to the Store link that appears there. On the Switch out of S mode, or similar, page that appears in the Microsoft Store, select the Get button. After you see a confirmation message on the page, you'll be able to install apps from outside of the Microsoft Store.